Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. This will be a step-by-step guide, so make sure to watch the entire video to get Chrome set up correctly. So let's get started. First, open your browser. If you're using Windows 11, you probably have Microsoft Edge as your default browser. So let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon in your taskbar or searching for it in the Start menu. Once Edge is open, go to the address bar at the top and type in Download Google Chrome. Hit Enter. You'll see several search results. Look for the one that says Download Google Chrome from the official Google website. It should be the first or second link, but make sure it's from google.com to ensure it's the legitimate site. Click on the link to go to Google's Chrome download page. Once you're on the Chrome download page, you'll see a blue button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click on it. The download should start automatically. If your browser asks for confirmation, click Save or Run, depending on the option available. Once the download is complete, you'll see a small window asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is a standard security prompt from Windows. Click Yes to proceed. Now, the installation process will begin. It may take a few minutes, so be patient while Chrome installs. Once it's done, Chrome will automatically open and you'll see the Google Chrome browser ready to use. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. You can now set it as your default browser if you prefer using Chrome for your web browsing. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.